If you have a pivot table and you're trying to use a calculated field, but it is grayed out, such as it is the case for me over here, this is the video for you. This is grayed out because when the pivot table was created, some option was checked. And let me show you what happened. I'm going to go back and recreate my pivot table from over here. Simply recreate it and add it right next to my original one. And when you've created your pivot table, you probably checked this box, add this to the data model, but this shouldn't be in here in order for you to be able to use the calculated field. So be sure to leave this unchecked, hit OK. I'm going to re-add my city and the count of department. And now clicking on the second pivot table, calculated field option is enabled. Whereas previously on the original pivot table, this was disabled. So this is the solution for you. Simply recreate it without checking that option. Thanks for watching. Please hit the thumbs up button if you found this video useful, and I'll see you in the next one.